Listen to that. That's the sound of security. That's the sound of gold. It's a currency that stands the test of time. The dollar, the euro, the yen, they'll all fade to dust, but not gold. During tough economic times, gold is the time-tested currency that goes up, not down. I got into gold 10 years ago. It's the smartest move I ever made because the value of gold has doubled since 2000. Buy your gold where I buy mine. Rosland Capital. Rosland Capital is the most respected and trusted source for advice on gold. Call them today and ask for your free information kit. It includes answers to your questions, like how to have a gold-backed IRA. So call Rosland at 1-800-679-6482 and get the facts. The information is free, but its value is priceless.
Produced by Schulberg Media Works.